Well, I got my same top chest mount yesterday, so I decided to hook it up with the GoPro 11 I recently got off of Marketplace and do a little practice with it, and it feels pretty good. So I mounted everything up and headed off to the river to see about doing a little bit of metal detecting with the Manticore with the M9 coil mounted. I've got to say that there was a little bit of an overload on me with the new Manticore and the new M9 coil coupled with the GoPro and the chest mount, getting all that coordinated and in a smooth operation. It was a little bit tough. So I've got to say that getting used to videoing the hunt, in as much as it's much more than just beep and dig. Now it's a show and tell too, so there is going to be a little bit of a learning curve here as I get this Manticore down and all of the information that it provides on targets on underground. And this particular beach being very trashy, it was a tough one to kind of break in on. All right then.